Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your phone for app development with Flutter. Enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in Settings. Open developer options and turn on USB debugging to allow device connections from your computer. Use a quality USB cable about 1 meter long to ensure stable transfer speeds. Install Flutter SDK on your computer and confirm Flutter 3. X is available with Flutter version. Also install Android Studio and the Android SDK platform tools to recognize your device. Connect your phone with a USB cable and accept the computer prompt on the device. On your computer, run Flutter devices to confirm the phone appears with its model name. If the device does not appear, restart a DB with a dbkill server and a db start server. Use Flutter Run to install and launch the app directly to your phone for testing. Use the R key in the terminal or Hot Reload button in your IDE to apply code changes instantly while preserving app state. For wireless debugging, enable wireless debugging in developer options and pair with a DB using a 4-digit pairing code provided by the phone. Use a DB pair IP port and then a DB connect IP port to establish the connection over Wi-Fi. Use Flutter Run Release for performance testing and to measure FPS and memory under realistic conditions. Keep your phone battery above 40% and use stable 4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi to avoid disconnects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.